My name is Chandana S. Nayak. Now I am going to discuss a theorem which comes under topological space. The theorem states that statement of the theorem states that let x comma tau be a topological space A is the subset of X upon x belongs to X is a limit point of A. If and if only for every neighborhood n of x n intersection A minus single set x is not equal to non-empty set. Let x comma tau be a topological space. A subset x, a point x belongs to x is a limit point of A if and only if for every neighborhood n of x, n intersection A minus single set of x is not equal to non-empty set. That means we have to prove that the theorem divides into two parts, that is necessary part and conversely. Proof: suppose x belongs to D of A and n is a neighborhood of G of x. Now first part of the theorem, by data we have let x comma tau be a topological space. By topological space definition we know that let x be a non-empty set and tau be a collection of subset of x. Then first condition, let x is not equal to non-empty set, tau is equals to A, rates A is subset of x. First case, by using first case we will solve this theorem. X is non-empty set belongs to Z. Then by data we can conclude this theorem. We can prove that they exist an open set G in X. They exist, X belongs to G is the superset of N. Then we have G is equals to single set of X is intersection A is not equal to non-empty set G intersection A minus single set X subset of N intersection A minus single set X. This implies that N intersection A minus single set X is not equal to empty set. This concludes that first division, that is necessary part is proved. Now the converse of the theorem, N intersection A is not equal to non-empty set for every NB belongs to N of X if G is an open set with x belongs to G, then G will holds of X. By assumption, G intersection A minus X is not equal to non-empty set. Therefore, D belongs to D of A. Hence, the theorem. Hence, the theorem is proved. Let X of tau be a topological space. A subset of X, a point X belongs to X is a limit point of A. By converse, we had proved that n intersection A minus single set of X is not equal to empty set. Hence, it is proved by the definition of, we know the definition of the limit of point and topological space by the neighborhood. By this, we had proved the necessary part. Now, by the converse of this theorem, we had proved by the definition of if and only if. If and only if means we have to prove conversely. For every neighborhood n of X, n intersection minus X is not equal to non-empty set. We had proved by assumption. Hence the theorem is proved. Thank you.